SDCs are designed to discount the system. They're not going to be around forever, so making the crucial decision now of buying a quality solar panel system is doubled over, because in the future, if you don't have the SDC discount and you've got to replace that system, you're now up for a lot more money than just the $3,500 to $5,000 that you're going to spend now on your solar panel systems. Yeah, so we highly suggest using your high quality systems, because you consider yourself getting a rebate or SDC discount probably once, because they're probably going to be phased out. We suggest to our customers, whilst you've got the SDC rebate, use it wisely and make your panel selection or your system selection based on that. We believe you need to be picking the highest quality solar panel systems. We do have a higher than average ambient temperature and a lot of sunlight, so they can destroy cheaper modules at a faster rate than the better quality panels. And you like to maximise the yield of our solar panels by putting a better quality system on. But it always pays off better to spend a little bit more on a better quality system, therefore enduring a longer performance of the system and giving you a greater return on investment.